Alright, so I've put the plugs out of that car into this car. I know that car's spot on because I took it on a cruise yesterday. Took this MAF sensor out here and it was full of oil. Cleaned it. I don't want to change the coils or plugs because they're brand new or near new. So I'm going to try that first. Failing that, we will try the next thing. Just waiting for it to warm up. Nearly there. I want to wait till it hits 84 and then give it a couple of minutes after that, even though I'm only revving it to 5 grand. But yeah, it's at 86. Should come down. Probably a bit more, a couple more minutes, then I'll give it a rev to 5. Alright, we'll see if it revs to 5. Alright, it's still doing it. I'm going to put another map sensor in it, try again. Hot start with another map sensor in it. Alright, it's not the map sensor, obviously, because I've used the one out of this car and that car. So next thing is coils. Alright, I've taken the coils off the other car. There was a couple of dodgy ones on the other car, however it still ran okay. So this has got a decent set of coils on it now. I'll kick it over and let it warm up again to operating temperature, which won't take long. Let it idle for a couple of minutes. Rightio, new coils. Still breaking up. Okay. That means I'm going to try changing the leads. That'll be the next thing. Alright, I just tried one more thing. Tried switching the leads around. Trailing to leading, leading to trailing. Not sure if that's going to work. Still runs. Weird. Hot start, new leads. New leads. Here we go. So I've just sorted out the exhaust. I've moved this over a little bit this time, so I'm probably just going to trim a little bit out of that, and then I can take that off. I don't have to take the muffler off to do that. And then, yeah, but I think old mate's going to put the doubles back on there anyway. But anyway, yeah, see how it sounds in a minute. I'll take it off the ramps, start her up for the first time with a new mid-pipe. Right, yeah, she's down on the ground. I'll give her a first start with the old mid-pipe modified. Out of gear. Engine's pretty quiet. $77 at the moment. Just a quick little rev. Sounds fucking awesome. Alright, just going to try to move the car forward, put it in gear. Yeah, it's off the blocks. What are we on? 85. Give it a couple of hard revs. I'm not going to go all the way to 9, but anyway, guys, I'm just at the shopping centre at the moment waiting for the missus. To sum the whole video up, I reckon what's happened is everything that I've changed really didn't make a difference. It just cleared itself up eventually. If you really look at those videos, nothing changed until I sort of held my foot on the pedal a bit harder, and then it eventually revved to 95 or whatever it was, you know. So, but in saying that, it's almost ready. The new owner's going to come and put a deposit on it next Sunday, and then probably pick it up in a couple of weeks. So a few more little jobs to do on it, and then she's off to a new home. Thanks for watching, guys. Anyway, take it easy, and I shall see you on the next episode of Apexseal Detonator. Bye.